Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Barclays to your bank account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So let's get started with the simple and straightforward guide on how to send money from Barclays to yours bank. So the first thing to do is to log into your Barclays mobile app banking and enter your login credentials. Then from there navigate to payment, then tap on pay and transfer. Then after that initiate the payment, select a pay, a rent or a new payee, then choose the account. So select the account you want to transfer money from. Then from there you have to tap on add new payee. Then you have to enter the payee details, which is to input the recipient's names, the account number and the sort code. Then after that review the details and confirm the new payee. Then after that you have to specify the amount you wish to transfer, then check all details for accuracy and confirm the payment, and that's how you can simply transfer money from Barclays to Lloyds bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.